Well, hello again, my Grace family. I pray that this day has been lit with the fire of favor. The Bible says, "The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid?" That's from Psalms 27, verse number 1. Church, we have reached day 23 of our 52-day challenge in the Nehemiah project. And today our assignment is simple but powerful. The next 2 Saturdays, we want to gear up for focused, intentional evangelism. Simply put, invite somebody to church. This is one segment of our evangelistic effort of increase. When Nehemiah rebuilt the wall, everybody had a part. They understood, this is my section. This is my responsibility. And when it comes to growing God's kingdom, evangelism is everybody's responsibility. Jesus said it like this in Luke 14:23. "Go out into the highways and hedges and compel them to come in, that my house may be filled." Notice the conversation and language. Go, compel, fill. We cannot wait for people to find us. We have to go get them. Somebody you know needs what happens in this house. Somebody needs worship. Somebody needs the word. Somebody needs the fellowship. Somebody needs a fresh encounter with Jesus Christ. And your invitation could be the bridge that gets them here. So here is our day 23 challenge, folks. Everyone, reach one. We are believing God to double our attendance with new guests. Think about it. If everybody brings somebody, we double. So don't just say, "You ought to come sometimes." Tell them, "I want you to be my guest. I'll meet you at the door. Come sit with me." So make the call, send a text, extend that invitation to someone. Pick them up if you have to. Everybody has a part. Everybody has a person. Everybody can bring somebody. Grace Worship Center, let's rise. Let's build. Come on. Reach and fill God's house. This is day 23. Come on. Bring somebody with you to church. Hey, listen, have an amazing day, amazing week. And I'm trusting God's going to do what he said he'll do. God bless you, and may grace be unto you.